Here's a quick little demo on using the Format as Table command inside of Microsoft Excel. Open in front of you, I've got a simple little list. It's not very big, it's got a few records in it, but take a look. It's got some headers along the top, order ID, customer ID, employee ID, and so on, and down below all these records. There are 830 records inside this list. So once again, not huge, but a decent sized list here. Now, what are some things that you do with a list like this? Think about that for a moment. Perhaps you sort it, filter it, format it. Maybe you create calculations for the columns data or calculations along the rows. Whatever it is, there's many different things that we might do with a list like this. Well, in steps the Format as Table command. This is going to automate many of the features that you work with inside of an Excel list. Put them right at your fingertips. Take a look. First step, I'm going to click into the list. Doesn't matter where, just as long as I'm in that list. I'm going to go up to my Home tab, and towards the right, I'm going to go to Format as Table. Now, I get to pick my favorite color. At first glance, it's all about formatting. So I like blue. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one right here. Wants to know, hey, where's your data at? Now remember, you clicked into your list. It found your data. A1 to N831. And my table does have headers. I'll hit OK. And I've now formatted my list as a table. It's got new column headers. It's got the drop downs for filters and sorting. It's got every other row color. I've got my nice list. And it's giving me a new tab, a design tab, Table Tools Design. And on there, I've got all sorts of goodies. Well worth your time. Poke around in here, see what you get. Here's one of my favorites. I could turn on the total row. This creates a brand new row at the bottom of my list. And from here, I can create calculations. Maybe I want to get an average freight cost. Ooh, you know what? I want to count the number of records that we have here. There's 830. So I've got this new row here that just builds the calculations for me. Not much more. Lots of other stuff up here. You can insert slicers. This is a new one in 2013. This will allow me to create nice interactive kind of dashboard type elements to help me filter this list. I'll select the two, and now I've got just the records that were shipped using that method, and so on. I can name the table. Let's click back into there. I can name the table, and I can use that name in place of any cell references that I might use when I reference this table. Give it a name. This is order info. And then when I create a pivot table, I could just say, hey, use order info. Or I do a VLOOKUP with this table, I can say, just use order info. I don't have to tell it, oh, it's A1 to N, whatever it is. Just use the name now. So once again, this is the Format as Table command, and it's really simple to use. Just click into the list, go to your Home tab, Format as Table, pick your favorite color, and off you go. Try this out.